welcome back to my channel. My name is Simone. If you're new here, then hello. I'm glad you clicked on this video. So for today's video, I thought of showing you guys, or we thought of showing you guys what we have in our college bags or uni bags. But before we start, I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about like what we do and who we are kind of thing. I study medicine. I'm in second year.
I studied biomedicine and I am in first year.
Yeah, so we might have slightly different stuff in our bags, but it's basically a very minimalist, realistic and essential stuff that we have in our bags. So we thought it might be helpful to you guys who's starting a new uni year or maybe already in it but want some new supplies or yeah. The first up is our bags. I'm gonna start first. So this is my black new bag or purse or whatever you would like to call it. I just recently purchased it. And it's the brand Pususni. Oh, yo. Okay, I can't pronounce this, but yeah, that's basically the brand. I bought this in Norway with my sister and mom. They bought it for me because I wasn't with them at the time, but I knew which bag I wanted. And this one costs 80 euros, so that will be roughly the same in pounds, I guess. But I got it for like 50 euros instead, so it was on sale. So I quite like this. It's quite sturdy. It has 6 compartments inside. It's really big, which is what I wanted. I had to buy a new one because my old one got destroyed literally. And then it also has like this sort of strap thing that you can also use if you want to have it like a little bit longer. Very cute, very like compact and sturdy, which is what I wanted, so I'm really happy about this.
So I bought obviously a rucksack and it's quite large, as you can see. It has 3 compartments, one in here, which I can show you guys. That's that part. And then the middle part is where all like your stationery and notebooks and stuff like that can go, and also your iPad. It has an individual like holders or whatever you want to call them, that you can put stuff in. The third one here,
it has a lot of compartments and they're quite big as well.
It's like this, and I guess I don't really know what to put in this, but like it has a lot, like loads of space, and yeah, you can see like over here it has like net and stuff like that.
And what's the bag called?
The bag is the brand is called Beckman, which is like a Norwegian school bag like company. And they make quite like
very sturdy,
waterproof and long-lasting bags. It also has another department right here in the middle where you can put like essentials like your hand cream, hand sanitizer and stuff like that. This bag costs 900 kroner, which is about 90 euros, so it's a bit more expensive than hers, but it's worth it definitely, because you know you're gonna use this for the whole. I'm gonna use this for the whole
duration
course, yeah. So and beyond also. So yeah. It also has like straps right here as well. It has like pads right here, which is very good for your back, so you won't have any back pains. So yeah, this bag is quite well built and designed. So yeah.
So moving on to electronics, so I can start this time. So what I have is my trusted AirPods.
Trusted.
Yeah, well, I haven't lost them, so that's fine. I think it's the newest AirPods. I can't remember what it's called.
I think so.
And then I have my earphones, and it has this sort of lead, and that's because I normally use them in the school computers and stuff like that, but also for my own laptop because I don't have a Mac. And then I also bring some extra lead, again for my phone, just a basic like cheap one. And we have my iPad. I'm not going to show the case because the case is dirty, but it's the iPad. It's the iPad 9, the 9th generation. And then I just bought it with the Apple Pen as well. This is what I use the most for my lecture notes and like everything else, to be honest. I'll show you my laptop. It's the Google Chrome laptop, the Lenovo laptop. I need to buy a new one because this one, I have a lot to say about this one, but it's actually good. It's small and it's like not too heavy, so it goes very good in my bag, but I think I need to buy a new one.
Headphones in my bag. These are the Soundbeat headphones. They are active noise cancelling. So I mean, these are the cheap. I just found this randomly online, so yeah, some headphones. I have obviously my phone as well. This is the iPhone 8, which it's quite old. And I have my iPad here. Yeah, this is the 9th generation, as you can see. It's quite nice. I also have my big ass laptop.
Quite heavy.
It's actually a HP, but I put like the Apple logo on it.
Yeah, why did you actually do that though? Like,
I got it from the iPad when I bought the iPad, so I just stuck it on, you know.
why?
To 4 people.
It's more grey though in person. It looks more grey.
It's like this.
Okay, so now we're gonna start with like stationery and stuff like that.
So obviously I have my trusted calculator. I don't know if I need like a more scientific one, but this is my current calculator that I'm gonna use. Pencil case, which is quite large, as you can see, and it's plastic, so you can see through it. Some pens and some highlighters and stuff like that, and a ruler. So yeah, I think that's about it. I don't need too much. I don't have any notebooks at the moment, but I do believe we're gonna get like notes and notebooks over there, and like university like labeled notebooks. But
I have 3 notebooks. So I have my first, which is like that anatomy notebook. This is from last year's, but basically I'm going to be having a new one, so I'll just show you guys this one. And then I have my trusted goal planner. This is sort of what I use just to plan out my days, plan out my revision, and sort of just have a system on those kind of things. And I also have my trusted notebook. This is just a basic notebook. I got it for free. I don't know where I got it, but I got it for free. What I really like about it, first of all, that it's quite, like I said, sturdy, but it has like this sort of book liner, so I quite like that. So yeah, those are the 3 notebooks I will bring. Then I have my pencil case. So I bought this clear one, a new clear one, just recently, because I don't normally take notes, to be honest. I use my iPad like my sister also do, but for example, stuff like that, they want you to have a clear pencil case, so that's why I bought it. And I have sort of just one highlighter because I don't really like use highlighters that much. And then I have 3 pens, black pens, and it's actually for a specific reason. I have 2 of them the same, because in case I sort of run out of the other one, and the third one is for like anyone else if they want to ask. They want to ask for a spare pen, so that's why I just put it in there. Then I have this blue one here, which I use to like correct stuff with, and then a ruler. A triangular ruler, and that's it. Then I have this post-it note, pink, because why not? And last year I did not have any post-it notes in my bag, and I asked my friends and stuff like that, they didn't have it, so I thought, you know what, it's about time I get my own, and I have it in my pencil case. So yeah. Something else I forgot to show almost is this folder here. I have it for whenever we have like loose paper and stuff like that, and I don't want it to get all like crumbled up in my bag, so I just have this here, and it's very trusted.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy more for those kind of folders.
This is essential.
Yeah.
So now we're moving on to sort of like the self-care emergency kit sort of things that we have in our bag, so you can start if you want to.
The first thing I have is these 2 body spray. It's the Playboy deodorant spray, and this is the Lynx, which is quite popular here in UK. I also have my hand sanitizer, which obviously because of the pandemic and everything, I just want to be safe, and you know, I usually take the bus to school, and there's a bit dirt on the bus, so I just put some hand sanitizer on and stuff like that. I have my cream, hand cream, which obviously is essential as well. And I have my other cream here as well. This is the tropical one. No, I don't know the I don't know the brand, but it's this one here, which is quite good for my whole body and my legs and stuff like that. For my legs, it's like ashy and stuff. Yeah, that's that's my essential and stuff like that.
I just have this one here, which is the Boots Cucumber and Aloe Vera hand and nail cream, because my hands get really dry. I just really like this one because it's quite moisturizing and softening as well, and a little goes a long way, so I have loads of this still left. I have my 3 sort of lip care things. So I have my Vaseline, first of all, the lip therapy one in coconut. I like this one, and like the original. I don't quite like the strawberry one. And then I have my Cosmica Stay Soft Lips 24 hours protection. It has vitamin E, and I quite like this one just to, you know, soften my lips. I have the lip gloss, I guess, from e.l.f. It's this one here in color Moody something. Really nice. Soon finished with it. Like, it doesn't have a lot left, as you can see. It's just like a little bit left there. Really nice one. It's a kind of like a nude natural color, lip color. I'm also wearing it, so yeah. Just my L'Oreal Paris Perfect Match powder. This is the okay, so my camera cut, so I'm just going to show you guys the other products that didn't sort of make it in the original clip. So I have this Dove antiperspirant body spray. Is in the sort of scent of coconut and jasmine flavored. It's really nice and zero alcohol, which is why I sort of bought it. Then we just have this very basic roll-on. It's the Crystal antiperspirant deodorant, and it's in citrus, lily of the valley and amber, and zero alcohol as well, with 48-hour protection. These wipes, biodegradable fragrance-free boots wipes, I'm going to be using them for like my underarms and stuff like that, because it has zero alcohol and it's fragrance-free as well. My Bleu de Chanel Paris perfume is just this one here. I haven't sort of used a lot of it, but yeah, it smells really nice, and yeah. Okay, so for our last section, which is just others, I have only a couple of things. So I have my water bottles and my lunch box, and so this one here is the 1 liter one. I use it when I have to go out for a long time, when I'm on campus for a long time, studying for a long time. So I have the 1 liter one. My other water bottle, it literally just says water, very small. I think it's 500 milliliters or 300s, I can't remember. I think it's 500. And I use this when I don't have to, when I'm not literally on campus for long, like only like 2 hours and an hour. That's when I use this one here. And then I just have my lunch box, it's just blue.
So I also have a lunchbox, but I'm not going to show you guys.
It's basically like mine, it's just
Yeah,
like a
it's
little bit
bigger,
bigger
yeah.
and pink.
But I have my flask, my handled anti-flask, and it looks like this. It has like some like ski and stuff like that. It keeps my water very cold during the day, so it's very important that I use this one here. I have my umbrella here, which I bought from Primark, and yeah, you know, in case it rains and you have to walk in between classes, very essential. And I have my reflective band right here that my mom bought in Norway, and I just stick this on my bag or my leg or my arm, whatever. Just
Any limb.
Yeah, just in case, you know, you want the car to see you, you know, you're crossing roads, you're going home, whether you're rushing to your next class, you don't want to get hit by a car, so it's important to have this just to, like, you know, stay on the safe side. Yeah.
So this was all for our what's in our college uni bag. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I'm sorry if it became really long, but we just had a lot to go through, and I hope some of the things were useful to you. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you another day. Bye.